Hey guys, it's me, Poppy Rain here. Happy Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve. I'm feeling really stressed out and really overwhelmed because Daddy got called into work. And I'm just, finishing up some breakfast. And I'm going to start working on some house chores because I'm just overwhelmed and stressed out. There's so much to do around this house. There's garbage to take out. There's food to put away. There's things to unbox. There's a fridge to clean out. You know. So, today's task is going to be cleaning out the fridge. Since Daddy at least took out the garbage for me. So we're going to clean up my fridge and see what's garbage and what's garbage and what can stay. I'm going to try and get some work done this morning. And then we're going to have some fun later. I'm going to see, I don't know exactly what time I'm picking up Kelsey. We're going to go play some games and stuff at Daddy's sister's house. And get some food and stuff. We'll have some fun tonight. So, yeah. Because our house is disgustingly trashed. So, first thing we have in the fridge is my leftovers that I didn't eat all of breakfast. This is leftover soup that's still good. I can get another meal out of that. I'm going to move you guys. Hold on. We have 2 blocks of Vermont Seriously Sharp cheddar cheese. One's New York extra sharp cheddar cheese and one's Vermont Seriously Sharp cheddar cheese. Because I'd like to actually, wipe down this fridge and whatnot, too. I'm doing this. Hold on. Let me see if I can use this to prop up my fridge. The fridge is not going to stay open. Okay. So I've got these. We've got this coffee that needs to be dumped. That's gross. I don't know how long that's been sitting in there. We have a fruity cereal shake. This is Alani protein shake. Cottage cheese. I just opened that. I know it's still good. I opened that last night. Mocha iced caramel latte. I'm going to put that in a pile of stuff to donate because I bought that on accident and I'm not going to drink that. And Daddy doesn't drink coffee. This apple's starting to get crispy, so I'm going to take that upstairs for the bunny. Vanilla drink. Vanilla latte. Oh, yeah. This apple might still be good. So we'll keep that apple. The rest of these apples are going, so those are going to go upstairs to Bun Bun. To my honey buns. We'll get those apples. We've got a caramel one. And a vanilla iced latte. Roasted garlic hummus. This is still good. Forgot. Ooh, that smells like garlic. Forgot I had that. We have a vanilla iced latte. We have some potatoes that somebody gave us that are not good. A vanilla iced latte. We have this Trimino peach drink that I'm probably not going to drink. Pineapple Mule Seagram. I don't know if these are so good. These are Kelsey's onions that I keep forgetting to give her. I did bring her to them one day and then she forgot them in my car. These are still fine, so I'm going to give them to her today. We have vanilla iced latte, light mayo, apples that can go upstairs to bunny buns. And that one's probably too far gone, I'm gonna say. This bag looks like it's all okay. That apple, I don't want to give him. So we've got these bigger apples. These can go upstairs to bunny bun. Honey bun. Vanilla iced latte. A lemon Collins. Almost gone. 45 ounces of butter. That lasted us a while. Everything bagels. Not thinking these baby cukes are good no more. I know this, I'm pretty sure the sour cream is still good. Yep, just needs to be mixed up. We just got that sour cream not too long ago. Trimino drink that we're not going to drink. A caramel iced latte. Mary's white chocolate Irish cream fake Bailey's. Coffee I just drank yesterday. I know it's still good. Another mocha, one that got bought on accident. I don't drink mocha. A sour blue raspberry Warhead soda. And a Twinkies latte. This is still good. I just opened that a couple days ago. I literally just bought that on Friday. Ugh, this fridge is nasty. More bagels that are still good. These are French toast bagels. This is still good. There's no mold on it. I don't know where that came from or when we bought. Yellow mustard. Apparently another thing of yellow mustard. So I must have bought yellow mustard and forgot. Because I needed it for something. Oh. Ranch. I almost said French dipping sauce. Ranch. Caesar dressing. Honey mustard. What is the expiration date on this milk? I'll grab a new one on Friday. But this should still... The expiration date on that is tomorrow, but it still should be good till Friday. I can stretch it. Olive Garden dressing. stir fry sauce, soy sauce, whatever this fish sauce is. Now, just to give you an idea, we are not alcoholics. These Seagrams have legitimately been in our fridge since August when we went camping. We have a pineapple mule, another pineapple mule. I did not care for these are nasty, but grapefruit Paloma, another grapefruit Paloma, but they didn't have a good selection. They do alcohol really weird in, I almost said Canada, in Pennsylvania. This is from when we went to Hershey Park. They actually do it really bizarre. What they do is, if you're buying alcohol from anywhere other than a liquor store, they limit how much you can get. Like here in New York, I can go into Walmart and I can buy like six 4-packs of Seagram Spiked or of Smirnoff Ice. No problem. Here in New York, as far as I know, I don't believe there's a limit anywhere. In PA, you cannot buy it at Walmart. You have to go, they have like it's Weiss, but it's not really a Weiss. I don't know if it's related to the Weiss brand, but you can only buy, I think, 2. And then you have to physically take it out of the store, wait 15 minutes, and come back. You have to go take it to your car, sit in your car for 15 minutes, come back, and then buy the remaining ones that you need. So, like, 2 more. Because my mom was complaining. She's like, well, how much alcohol are you buying that you need 4 6-packs? I'm like, 1 for me. This was back when Daddy's sister drank. 1 for her, because that would last her the whole week. 1 for his mom. And 1 for Daddy, because my mom's like, that's a lot of alcohol. I'm like, I don't drink a full 6-pack. I usually end up drinking because we're usually there, so we get there typically on a Sunday night, and then we leave Wednesday morning. So I usually drink 3 or 4 out of the 6-pack. And then that's that. And then Daddy usually ends up with the rest. We have MC Trader peanut butter. So, I can't tell if these potatoes are still good or not, so I'm just going to chop them because I don't want to give them to someone and make someone sick. Strawberry fruit spread. This needs to be dumped. This was 5 billion years old. Let me go find a dirty something that I can scoop this out with. This is I made a different version of like tuna pasta that I forgot about. I want to say I made that like 2 weeks ago now. So I'm guessing that's not good anymore. It's got to be at least 2 weeks old by my calculations. I'm just gonna leave this spatula in here in case I need it. So that's probably like 2 weeks old. Okay, what else do we have in this fridge? We have lemon juice and minced garlic. This needs to be stirred. I don't know. Yeah, that I'll probably feed Gabe later if I don't eat it. It's honey, what is it? Honey vanilla Greek yogurt, Walmart brand that I got to try, and then the cottage cheese mixed together. I ate that for a snack last night. Sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce. Honey chicken and plain lo mein, which is from the same day as the other Chinese, which was only a couple days ago. I will leave leftovers a week max. After a week, they get chucked. Grated parm. Fiesta blend cheese. This looks all sorts of fucked up from when I tried to put it in the microwave. Brown sugar butter, so I'm going to toss that. It's all sorts of messed up. Syrup and tartar sauce. Because Daddy likes tartar sauce with his fish sticks. I think tartar sauce is vile. Yeah, these turkey burgers kind of bled through. Those are no good anymore. Those were from probably almost a month ago now, I want to say. I think it was before Thanksgiving. Ketchup and teriyaki sauce. If I can combine things, I like to try and combine things to save space. Because I hate when we have multiple of the same thing open. Drives me fucking nuts. Eggs. Frank's Red Hot. Eggs. Another strawberry fruit spread. Lime pickles, I'm probably not going to eat, so I'm going to get rid of those. More lemon juice. Bread and butter pickles. I bought to make breaded pickles and fried pickles. Never did. Strawberry sauce. Because I like strawberry chocolate milk. That's my favorite kind of milk. Vanilla Greek yogurt. I know that's the one I was just telling you guys about. I literally just bought that yesterday. Lemon juice. Two little Bailey's shot things that I bought for Christmas. Blue syrup. Choco syrup. These cookie dough bites, I don't think those are still good anymore. And Tequila Rose. A little shot bottle of Tequila Rose. Mayo. A crab cake that by now is probably dried out. So I'm going to toss it. It was so good though. I just couldn't eat them all. Okay. I know you guys can't see my head, but sliced mozzarella cheese. Palm Wonderful that I need to eat up, like, soonish. Like, in the next, probably either no later than probably tomorrow or Tuesday. I forgot I had those. Sliced cheese. This is sliced sharp cheddar. This thing of Caesar dressing that came with a salad kit that I didn't use. So I might actually try and put this in the bottle with the Caesar dressing. Because I hate when I have like multiples of things. And I feel like I'm more likely to use it if it's actually in here. In a little individual package. Because it's easier to get lost in my fridge. We don't typically, Caesar dressing is not something we typically keep in our house. Usually the only dressings we keep in our house are honey mustard, ranch, and blue cheese. And Thousand Island. Because I use Thousand Island and ranch for literally everything. And I've gotten to like blue cheese. Daddy doesn't like chunky blue cheese. He only likes regular blue cheese. I had Caesar dressing for something I wanted to make. I don't remember what. I bought Caesar dressing for that. Vegan mozzarella cheese. Let me check to see if this... Nope, this cream cheese is moldy. Molded cream cheese. This pizza, I'm probably going to toss. It's been in here for... Thursday would have been a week. So it's been in here a week, so I'm going to toss this pizza. Because again, I don't save things past a week. We did buy it a week ago Thursday when Daddy's sister came to help us do gifts. These cream cheeses that I'm assuming are so good, they've never been opened. Beans and rice that are clearly molded. Because I just keep forgetting they're in there. That's gross. Bad that my fridge get this bad. No, it just came out in one big lump. Okay. More dishes for Daddy to do tomorrow. OJ, that looks very questionable. So that's got to be dumped. The OJ and the coffee. I literally have caramel apple spilled all over my fridge from like a year ago. Two things of peppers. These ones are about to go, and these ones are still good. How much cheese do I have? Holy crap. More vegan mozzarella. Ew. From when I made Daddy burgers. That was from whenever the turkey burgers were from. I don't want to know. I now have 3 bags of open cheese. I'm going to see if I can combine these. 2 sharp cheddar and a Fiesta blend. Why do I have so much goddamn shredded cheese? I'm going to see how much of it we can combine so that it actually gets used and not molded. Because typically we go through about 2 pounds of shredded cheese in a week. I know why we have extra of the sliced cheese. That was my boo-boo. I didn't realize that we had one in there. But holy crap, we have a lot of shredded cheese. We probably have shredded cheese for the rest of the month. Literally, this is almost 2 pounds. And this is about, between these 2 bags and the little bags, are probably about another pound. So we probably don't need shredded cheese for the rest of the month. For the month of January. Because we have so much damn shredded cheese. Okay, shredded cheese. For the win. Turkey meat, I'm trying to think when we use this. I think it's still got another day or two. I think it's good if we use it up. Like tomorrow. Should be fine. More pizza. It really makes me angry and sad all at the same time. But I honestly just kept forgetting it was even in there. Pizza. Bread, because Daddy refuses to eat the whole wheat bread that Wick provides us. So don't know when these pepperonis are from. They're not open, so they're probably still good. Oh, more eggs. So this only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has 5 eggs in it, and the other 2 are a full dozen eggs. So I've got 24. I have 29 eggs. This got shoved in the back of the fridge. This is over a month old. We have a jar of sauce that I didn't know existed. Let me see. Oh, this is the one that we got for free that I wasn't too, super crazy about. So I'm going to mix the 2 sauces because I wasn't crazy about this one. This is the Rao's brand. I'm very picky about my sauces. I don't like anything too sweet or too acidy. So we're going to mix the Rao's and the Parmesan. Then if I can't fit this whole jar of Rao's in here, I'm just going to toss the rest because I'm not stressing over a little tiny bit when we got this for free and I don't like it. And I think it's vile. So that's how that's going to go. I'm not going to do a super deep clean of this fridge. Just a medium clean. I have one more drawer to clean out before I can start cleaning. Ortega tortillas, I just grabbed these. I didn't really pay attention. Daddy likes the large or the medium sized ones. I don't like the large ones. I think they're too big. Large tortillas. Two adult pizza crusts. Spinach wraps that I keep forgetting I have, that I bought for myself. Daddy hates spinach. These are like a jumbo wraps. I've been cutting those in half because they're so big. More large wraps because I didn't know we had any. Children pizza crusts for either when we have the boys or for Gabe. And this ham that I'm pretty sure is probably not good anymore. Daddy asked me to buy it for the kids. We ended up not getting kids that weekend. And me and Gabe can't eat it, and Daddy has not eaten it, so it's going. Stupid. Welcome to stupid shit Daddy makes me buy for him or other people that never gets eaten because, you know. Okay. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take some of this stuff so I can dump it. And I'm going to find some sort of cleaner. And then I'm going to put everything back in here because the majority of this is staying. Only about half of the stuff had to be thrown out. It was pretty much, most of the leftovers had to be chucked. A little bit of the vegetables. And then I have a couple things that I'm just donating because things I thought I was going to want are things that I bought on accident that are just vile. That I don't like. Okay, I'm going to clean out this fridge. Hold on, I'll show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use Palmolive Spray Away and just a sponge. And paper towels. So I'm going to spray the Palmolive on, I'm going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to wipe it off with a sponge. Or with a paper towel. I was trying to wait to do this till tomorrow, because that way I'd have room for the dishes, because Daddy would be doing dishes. But I mean, these doors, like the trays and the doors aren't horrible. That one's not bad. I'm going to do section by section so I can start putting stuff away. And I know you guys can't see my face because I'm currently standing and I don't have a further away spot to put you guys, but you can see what's going on. I think I could probably prop you up against the starter sauce. Oh, you still can't see my face. Oh yeah, you can see my face if I stay back here. So. That's what I'm currently working on. Like I said, it's not going to be like a deep clean or anything. It's going to be just like a swipe through. Pretty much. So I'm going to go spray all these. Door compartments so that I can get the door done. Yes, I know I'm leaking into the cat water. I don't care because that's the one that needs to go in the trash. Because it's broke. And it's moldy. And I'm not going to let another cat drink out of it. I mean, we were the second owners of it. So it did last a good time. We had it for about, I want to say, almost 2 years. Like I said, these aren't too horrible. It's mostly like the fridge itself that's really bad. And every so often, I will go rinse this out. So for right now, I'm going to clean off these. I'm going to do, I did the top 2 trays and this one tray. So I'm going to fill that back up. So this top tray is typically a butter tray, but that's where we put our block cheese. And if we can fit it, our sliced cheese. I try and separate stuff out. Try and organize. So we've got our 2 sliced cheeses and our 2 block cheeses going there. This top one, is, I'm going to put the pepperonis in there so they don't get lost. And then like the cream cheeses. And if we have any butter sticks, those will go in there. I'm going to put, so this one, I try and keep, I'm going to put sauces in here. So I put like a lot of the bigger ones in here because they're taller. So like the syrups. I don't know where my other syrup went. But I did have another syrup somewhere. If I can find another syrup, I'll put the other syrup in there. The other, oh, right here. The syrup. So right now there's soy sauce, syrup, Hershey syrup, the strawberry syrup, the chocolate syrup. I'm not going to put the soy sauce in there. I think I'm just going to put the, so we've got the regular syrup, the blue syrup, the other 2 syrups. I got to do the one I just opened today, and that's got to go in the fridge. The one I used for coffee that I'm going to drink soon. This is blackberry sauce. Those are going to go in there, and I'm going to put the peanut butter and jelly. So we've got the peanut butter and the 2, where I don't know where the other jelly is, but the other jelly, if I can find it. When I find the other jelly will go in there. I really don't know what I did with the other jelly. Weird, guys. Yeah, I don't know where my other jelly went. I'll find it, put it in there. This one did get cleaned off as well. So in there, I'm going to put all the sauces. So the soy sauce, sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to move you guys so I can put, you guys can't see me, but the tartar sauce is going to go in there. The dressing, the other dressing, the other dressing, the brown sugar, 2 mustards, well, actually mustard's more of a condiment, I think. Let's see, the teriyaki sauce, the fish sauce. I don't know what else I'm going to put in there. Oh, the Italian dressing. In this one, I'm going to put the condiments. So ketchup, mayo, mustard, and random other little odds and ends. This one, I do probably have to put on a shelf because it's not going to, it might fit. I might put it in there because it doesn't really fit too well. But let me go. I don't know where my other thing went, but let me go. Rinse this off real quick so I can put on the next couple shelves. Okay. And then the bottom one is where we put, the bottom space in the door is where we put all our dressings, or all our drinks that are not in like big jugs and whatever. So, oh, so hot sauce should have gone up there, but whatever. Yeah, because hot sauce doesn't fit down here. The hot sauce is going to go there. So we're going to put this dressing down here. That dressing is going to have to go on the shelf. It doesn't fit. Then we've got our lemon juice. Our little lemon juices, I think I'm going to stick up there. We've got Italian dressing, lemon juice, mustard, mayo, ketchup. I know I have another mayo somewhere. About mayo. Yeah, I don't know. I had another jelly, and I don't know where the other jelly went. Weird. Oh, right here. Here's the other jelly. If I have room for... I don't have room for grated cheese, do I? Nope, I don't have room for the Parm cheese. Okay. Well, let's do this bottom one. Like I said, this isn't going to be a deep clean. This is just a quick, get her done kind of job. So this bottom one, we're going to put all our small drinks, whichever one, if I have room, I'm going to put some of the small drinks that are over here on the floor too. So we've got alcohol, coffee, why it's sitting like that. And then if we end up not having enough room for all these drinks, they'll just put them in the fridge for now. But I think we should have just enough room for all these drinks. Okay. That's done. Now we're going to do these ones down here, which are going to be fruits and vegetables. All down here. Gonna have to rinse this again. This video has been 45 minutes, so I will do a part 2 of cleaning this fridge. So bye for now, guys.